Okay, in this lesson I want to explain pins. If you click on a P on your keyboard, it creates a pin on a point that you are mouse over that. For example, the pin means you can change its position and move them. But if you pin a point there, if you flatten your UV, as you can see, they are pinned there, and the other part of the UV will be go to that part. It's pinned there. For bringing the pin menu, if you hit P, just in pin. So for display the pin menu, you have to hold Shift P. And now we have an interesting part here, interesting tool here. With a left click and drag, you can pin the lots of point. Right click and Shift P again, and right click and you can unpin. Shift P again, pin. If you want to delete all pin, U. Shift P and U. Shift P. You can pin the border. U is for unpinning the border. For pinning the border, if you are in a pin menu, hit P again. It's border. For deleting all pins, you have to right click and drag the whole object to delete all of them. For pinning the whole edge, all of this edge, as I said before, P at the first, P at the end, and PP the first to the middle, or the middle between these 2 points. It will be pin all the edges and the point in between them. P here, not important. Here, it's not important. PP in over the point. Okay, PP. That's it. Shift P, right click and done. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.